This video has been created to explain and demonstrate how to remove and install the gas spring located in the Novitool Ply 130. The gas spring is directly related to the top traction roller being able to apply enough downward pressure against the conveyor belt and the bottom traction roller to pull the belt through the machine during the ply separation process. If your Ply 130 is not consistently separating belts that were never a problem previously, and you know your blade is in good condition and has been installed correctly, it's most likely time to inspect and change out the gas spring. Let's begin by making sure your Ply 130 is unplugged from the main power source. You can then remove the 5mm hex bolt from the cover plate affixed to the adjustment handle. Then remove the black thumb nut, which will allow you to now remove the cover plate. Now let's remove the 4mm hex bolt that affixes the top of the gas spring to the eccentric shaft of the top drive roller. Then remove the 3mm hex shoulder bolt that connects the bottom of the gas spring to the Ply 130. There is a rotating spacer that will need to be removed from the old gas spring and installed onto the new gas spring. It should be very difficult to compress the gas spring by hand. If this is achievable, it means it's time to replace it. Carefully remove the C-clip and remove the spacer. Install the spacer onto the new gas spring, securing it in place with the same C-clip. Install the new gas spring into the Ply 130 by installing the 3mm hex shoulder bolt first. Make sure the spacer is facing outward. Once tight, install the 4mm hex bolt to the top of the gas spring. Finally, reinstall the cover plate with the 5mm hex bolt. And reinstall the black thumb nut. Now you can conduct a test separation. Flexco does offer two different gas springs. The Ply 130 comes with a 250 Newton gas spring, item 08467. For more challenging belts, such as a thinner, harder, bare-by-bare urethane or silicone impregnated urethane belt, Flexco recommends installation of the 400 Newton gas spring, item 08768. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful.